Here there are three levers with a 20 kg weight at the one end, and these are arranged at various distances along the rod. You can lift the weight by putting effort at the other end of the rod. It was Archimedes, more than 2000 years ago, who observed the mathematical relationship hidden in this arrangement. You can test by putting effort on three rods to see which is the hardest rod to lift. Archimedes observed that the weight at one end multiplied by its distance to the fulcrum should be equal to the effort on the other end and multiplied by its distance to the fulcrum. You can see when the point of support is nearer to the weight, lifting is easy. It is hardest when the distance is longer.